How do we grow bonsai trees from seed, and why should we grow them from seed? We could just go to a local nursery and buy the seedlings whenever we need them, but that would cost us our time and our money, something that is very precious. A more sustainable way is planting our own every year, so we have a steady supply. It only takes 10 minutes to plant a full tray. Before we get started, this awesome t-shirt and a range of others are available on jacquelinebonsai.com. Be sure to check it out. Let's learn how Jack likes to plant bonsai trees from seed, specifically Chinese elm. So here are the 3 things you need. You need a 10 by 20 tray, which you can get at your local nursery or online. It is 10 inches by 20 inches, and it has holes at the bottom that allows for good drainage. Next thing you need is expanded clay pebbles. We will also need a bag of red lava rock and our favorite Akadama soil, any size. We're going to mix these all equal parts together into a small layer into the 10 by 20 tray. Now, I know this looks like a big bag of garbage, and that's exactly what it is. Jack went to a park in Shilin, and under a big Chinese elm, he swept up all these leaves, and we are going to now separate the seeds from the leaves. Here we have these 2 gigantic pots that Jack got from somewhere. This one has holes in it that we're going to use like a sieve, and the small seeds are hopefully going to fall out, and they're going to look like these. That's the plan anyway. Let's give it a go. Oh, this is going to be fun to clean up. Here we go. And out from the bottom comes mostly seeds. Get a bit of a rhythm going. It's like we're having our very own cooking show. I think I got them, most of them. Oh, there's a few more. Okay. Now, most of these are all Chinese elm seeds. We didn't need to go to a nursery or spend any money. We got them all for free. Now, just like planting microgreens, seed density is very important. If you don't plant enough, you'll be wasting space. If you plant too much, they'll be fighting over sunlight and they won't grow properly. So the spacing needs to be perfect, not too little, not too many. Here we have another type of Akadama soil. It's much smaller, and we're going to use this as the top layer. I got bored, so now I'm going to use the bucket. Next, we're going to cover this with another layer, this time with sphagnum moss. As you can see, I'm putting on dry sphagnum moss. Why? Because I didn't know that soaking them first is easier. So make sure you soak the moss before you put them onto the tray. Using moss as the top layer will keep the soil wetter for longer. You don't have to use this much, and it will eventually decompose into the soil. We still need to bottom water the tray. This will completely saturate the Akadama soil. Here is what it looks like after 3 months. The seedlings are about 3 inches tall and well spaced out. Maybe I could have planted some more. Now you know how to grow your own Chinese elm from a bag of garbage, on your kitchen table, where you eat. But it was all for free. But that would cost us our time and money, and why are you making faces?
Yeah, because I got into the shop.
I need the phone closer, like right under the lens. Up, 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 up. We could just go to a local grocery store. Oh, I said grocery store.
Yeah, I heard that.
More? More? How do we grow bonsai trees from seed, and why did I look away? Down, down, down. Yeah. And buy the seedlings whenever we need them. But...
Sorry, cut. I got into the shop.
Okay, again?
It's difficult.
Down, down, down. So it's in line with the phone. Down. Stop making noise behind the camera, please. More, 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 more. What is it called? Expanded clay pebbles. So let's learn how Jack likes to... Let's learn how Jack likes to plant... Let's learn how Jack likes to plant bonsai trees from seed, specifically Chinese elm. Cut and cut and cut.